Hi! In front of me is Motorola G14 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, click on About Phone section at the bottom. Then select device name under Basic Info. And finally type in wherever you want to. In my case, pumpkin. When you're done, to discard your new name, you can click on Cancel. But to save it, you need to choose OK and then select OK in the second pop-up about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!